Hello, I'm T. Hoffman, and I'm the managing principal here at Law Strategy Coach, and it's time for another 2-Minute Tuesday. Thank you so much for joining us again this week. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about AARs. And for those of you who've not served in the military, those letters stand for After Action Reports. And in the military and in a lot of industries, you're required to do an after action report after every single mission, assignment, project, etc. And it's something that I've continued to do even after I retired from the military because I think it's critically important that we examine what we have done compared to what we intended to do. In other words, every single activity that you do, whether it's a pitch or a practice group meeting that you're leading, or let's say it's a meeting with a prospective client, you need to go into that meeting, first of all, prepared, but you also need to have an intended result from that meeting. Now, when you get through with that meeting, if you're like a lot of people, most of us just go back to the office and go, whew, I'm glad that's over, right? But what you really need to do is sit down and think about, my intended result was X. I wanted to get a follow-up meeting. I wanted to learn more about that particular prospect's business. I wanted the practice group to be re-energized and focused and some people to volunteer for some things. Whatever it was that you intended to happen, you need to have those objectives in mind after the meeting and then measure whether those things actually occurred. And if they did occur, that's fantastic. How can you build on that? If they didn't occur, you need to think about, why did they not occur? Why was my result not achieved? And if you can figure that out, then you can go back and have a better next meeting, a better luncheon with that prospect. You can do more research, but you always need to be bettering yourself. And one of the ways to do that, especially in 2021, is to do an after action report after every interaction, meeting, pitch, etc. that you have. Think about it. What do I want to accomplish? Then, did I accomplish it? What could I have done better? What did I learn? What are my takeaways? What can I improve? All right, all of those things are critically important. Now, I want to let you all know that we've got a new preview video up on our website for our online training, and you can find that at lawstrategycoach.thinkific.com. That's lawstrategycoach.thinkific.com. I would encourage you to jump on the website. It's a free preview video, and I think you'll really enjoy it. It's about how to have a better meeting, and Aileen Levington is actually leading that discussion. So make sure that you do that and check us out. And thanks again for joining us for another 2-Minute Tuesday.